Hey guys, so please buy my 97 overall Paul Pierce. I need to update my team from before the legacy stats come up, so please buy my Paul Pierce. Please buy because I need these coins to update my team. And each player, I just need. Look at my team right now. My team is straight trash. See guys, watch this. My team is just straight trash right now. And my team, look at this. My team is straight trash right now, guys. I need some elites, please. Help me get to an 85 overall team. Selling them for 1 mil. So please buy them. And also buy my other players for 5K. Trying to buy me a pack. And if you guys buy my player for 1 mil, I will do a pack opening with the cornucopia packs. Yeah guys, please buy my players so I can do a cornucopia pack opening. And please buy some of my other players because I want to do a pack opening with you guys. And please buy my players. And guys, oh crap, sorry guys. Guys, just please buy my players. Dude, I will if you buy my players, and I will open 5 cornucopia packs, buy a lot of silvers, and do that and buy a lot of bronze, and do a pack opening for you guys. So guys, please help me out here. I just want to do a pack opening right now. Please guys, and goodbye.